everyone. I'm Kirsten. I'm the branch manager of the Carteret County Public Library in Beaufort. And today I'm going to walk you through an upgrade that's going to come soon to our NC Cardinal catalog. So those of you who are familiar know that there are some really cool features on our catalog, and the upgrade's going to change the layout just a little bit, the look and feel just a little bit, but all of the features that you're used to are still there. They're just adding in a couple of extras for you, which are going to be really cool. I'm going to walk you through those right now. I'm going to show you those updates or the new features, and then I'm going to show you what the look is going to be like. So I'm just going to look up a book to use as an example to show you those cool new features. So here I am, and I, of course, decided where the crawdads sing. And as you can see, when you're looking at this book, you see all of the copies that we have here in our system. But you're also seeing those that are available, those that are checked out. Maybe there are some that are on hold. See, one says in transit. So you're seeing all of those, but you want to know which of these books are actually available. You want to just see a list of the available copies. So we're going to click that where the crawdads sing title so that we can go in the item record. And while we're here in that record, one of the new features, so this feature was not available before, but one of the new features is we can narrow this down to the available copies. So over here under available copies, you see how many we got in the system. Then you see view other formats and editions. You see some generic information there, but one of these new links is show only available copies. So if I click that, it's going to narrow that down to only the available copies. And right now I've got it showing only the available copies within the Carteret County Public Library system, but I can always hit show here beside NC Cardinal copies to see all of the available copies across NC Cardinal. So that's really cool and going to help you find which book you need. But let's say that I'm trying to put multiple books on hold. Well, we have this handy little tool that is available to you. It's called a basket, and you are able to put multiple books on hold without having to do each individual item. You can just put a bunch of items in your basket and put them all on hold at one time. So to do that, these little check boxes beside the item, you're just going to check that. See, it's highlighted now. I'm going to go through. I've got a couple others that are highlighted already. And now you'll see that that number is 3, which is how many items I've got checked. So I'm going to click the basket. And now here I am in my basket. I can see my items. I want to print those items. I want to be able to see that list printed. So in this little drop down box here for actions for these items, I'm going to click print title details, click go. And now I see a very quick list of what I've got, but I want to see other information. I want to see about where these books are. So before, you could not do this. This was all you could see was this little bit of information. Now, if you go up here to this drop down beside format, change it from brief to full, and then click update, you'll see more information like where this book is and what the call number is and barcode and that, so that you can find that book. So that's also a really handy tool to have. One of the other features of this new system, this new upgrade, is that you can also, if you find our library here under NC Cardinal, it's going to give you all the information on how to contact us, which is great. So now you've seen some of the upgrades, but I'm going to show you the look and feel of the new one. So this is what the new upgrade is going to look like. So very similar to what we already have, just a little bit more streamlined, a little bit more attractive. If we click up here where it says Carteret County Public Library, it's going to take us to the website, which is great. But I'm going to show you a little bit here you'll see that if you click advanced, you still have got all the same stuff in there, just a little bit different in the layout. If we do a search, still very similar, just slightly different. You'll still see the checkbox there where you can add it to your basket. And it's going to go up here into your basket. You see the same information there. You see the list of libraries here for where it is. So still the same information, just slightly different layout. You still even have your stuff over here on the side where you can narrow down your results. So if you have any questions on this when it comes out, again, it's coming soon, then just give us a call. We'd be happy to walk you through how to use it or answer any concerns you may have. So please contact us to let us know. Thank you so much. Bye.